Are you wondering how to ensure that your skincare idea is a success from the start? I'm Stevi Lowmass, the founder and CEO of the Camel Soap Factory. Having been in the skincare manufacturing business for over 10 years, I'd like to share my top 3 tips for having a successful skincare startup. Number 1, have a unique idea. When I started the Camel Soap Factory, I had identified the gap in the market and I knew who I was going to sell my products to. Number 2, find a great formulator. Understand the ingredients you want to use and know why you want to use them. Number 3, find a manufacturer to make your dream come true. Finding the right contract manufacturer means that you can focus on developing your brand rather than all the technical aspects of making a product come alive. If you're looking for a quality contract manufacturer to realize your dreams, contact us on the email below to make your dreams come true.